Hello, how are you? Welcome back to another video. Let's learn some English cozied up by the fire. So it is nearly the end of the year, so that means you need to buy yourself one of these, a calendar. Usually in calendars there are lots of nice pictures, so today I'm going to show you the pictures and describe my Christmas calendar. So let's get started. You'll also learn the months of the year as well. So in this picture, this is January 2026, and in January there are 31 days, and this is a nice winter picture because in January it is still winter in Ireland. So in this picture we have a snow day, so there's lots of snow. There's a well. This is a well to get water from below the ground. So there's a little boy collecting water in his bucket. There is also a little child here rolling a snowball, and there are two bare trees. That's January. Let's go to February. So in February, and there are only 28 days in February, we have this girl in a red dress with a red umbrella, and as you can see there are lots of hearts, because on the 14th of February it is Valentine's Day, and that is a day where you celebrate love, so that's why we have that red. Next month we have March, and in March there are 31 days, and in that picture there is a little deer, because in March it is the beginning of spring, so we have the flowers for spring. And in Ireland on the 17th of March we celebrate St. Patrick's Day, so that's the only holiday we have in March. There's the deer. The next month it is April, and in April we celebrate Easter, so that's why there is an Easter bunny or a rabbit. So this rabbit is collecting eggs, chocolate eggs, or eggs with little chicks. There's a little chick, and this bunny is wearing a little dress and has lots of eggs. So on Easter it is truly the start of spring, so we have new baby animals like chicks and bunny rabbits. So Easter, we get Easter break. There are 30 days in April. The next month it is May. In May the flowers are truly blooming, so we have some spring blossom and we have pink flowers blooming. The flowers are blooming or growing, and this is a path down the flowers. And nothing much going on in May. It's my birthday in May, and May is my birthday. Then the next month it is truly the start of summer in Ireland. So we have a girl cycling her bike. She's cycling her bike down a path. She's wearing a blue dress with a hat, a summer hat, and she's got some flowers. And in June there are 30 days. It is the middle of summer, or the start of summer. So I love June. June is actually my favourite month, because the days are the longest. It doesn't get dark in Ireland until about 10:30 or 11 o'clock, so I love June. July would actually be considered the middle of summer. A lot of people go on their summer holidays in July, so, and those schools are off, of course. We have two girls sitting at the beach. These are the waves of the sea, and this is a rock, and the two girls are wearing dresses. And yeah, that's the middle of summer. After July we have August. So a lot of people also go on their holidays in August. So this is a picture in Venice in Italy. And we have the Venice canals and the big buildings and the gondola boats. So August. The next month is September, and this is a lady playing the piano. She is playing the piano. She is sitting on a chair playing the piano. Now we have October. October is the start of autumn. So this is a very autumny picture with the leaves falling on the path. So it kind of looks like the fire. It's the same color as the fire. And this couple is going for a walk down the path and through the trees. And at the end of October is Halloween, the 31st of October, Halloween. Next we have November, so nearly the end of the year, and we have red poppies. This is for World War I. A lot of people wear poppies or grow poppies, and this is a vase of flowers, or a bouquet of flowers. Now the last month of the year, the month we're in right now, so next year in December 2026, and this is another winter picture of snow, and we've got a shovel sitting in the snow with a little bird or robin, red-breasted robin sitting on that. It's a very winter bird here in Ireland. And we have a bush here, and of course in December we have Christmas on the 25th of December and New Year's Eve on the 31st of December. So that is my calendar for the year to come. So I wish you all a happy new year, and I hope you enjoy the new year I hope you have a wonderful 2026. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.